Shalom, shalom. HaAron, when we were carrying the Luchot HaBrit, it says HaAron nose et nosav. By miracle, HaAron he carrying those who carry, he can carry itself and carry his carriers. So why we should put the badim in the tabaot? Why we should put the sticks that we carry the Aaron in order to tell us, you should not count on Nisim. Act in according to tabaot. You have the rules of the nature and you have to act according to those rules. And through the ability to bring Nisim and help, we say in the Tefillah, Hashem Ozer Moshir Magen. He is helping us. He is saving us from our mistakes. And Magen, every success of us gets the protection of Hashem. But we are not counting and not relying on the miracles. We are doing all our efforts to get the Geula Shlema b'mera b'yamenu. Amen.